Then today we will go for the memory of a computer. Memory of a computer means the place where computers store all the informations. Okay, so memory means the area where a computer stores the information is known as memory. I already told you that memory of a computer means the place where computer stores the data, whatever we enter or whatever we download, whatever it is, means the complete storage of a computer is called as a memory. So units of the memory, definitely when we store something, we store the data, or when we keep some anything which we want to keep somewhere, so we measure it also. Because just like if at your home also, even you have seen that your mother or your parents or your family or even you are storing something suppose you are keeping your pencils, so you are counting that yes, I have a 5 piece or 6 piece or a dozen of a pencil. If you are keeping your pen, then also you know that 1, 2 or 3 pens you are having. So you, what you are doing, you are counting. If it is a liquid, you will measure it in a liter. So in the same way, when you are storing data in a computer, then definitely unit should be different than the other items. So the memory of a computer, or you can say the units of a computer, is measured with the help of a bits or the bytes. Okay, and the bytes become, one byte become with the 8 bit. When 8 bits are collectively collected, and then it will become a 1 byte. So 8 bit, when 8 bits are collected, then it becomes a 1 byte, and byte means 8 bits. Okay, now this is clear that 8 bits is equal to 1 bytes. And then how many bytes? 1024 bytes. Okay, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, and kilobyte is denoted as a KB. Okay, kilobyte, we can write it in a short KB, kilobyte. And then definitely when we suppose now you have stored some data of the measurement of the 1 kilobyte, then if the data is more than that, then what it will do? Then again we will start measuring that 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte. Okay, that is called the MB. And then again 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte. And then again gigabyte is written as a GB. Then again 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte. And in this way we got the units of a memory, and we, whatever the data we are storing in a computer, that will be calculated in the form of these units. Now next comes, okay, we stored the data and now we know that what is the memory and what is the units of the memory. Then next comes that what how many types of the memories are there? Are the memories only one type of the memory will be there, or there will be some different type of the memory? So in a computer we have basically, or we can say broadly, two types of the memory, that is primary memory or a secondary memory. Okay, primary memory means RAM and the ROM, and secondary memory, all the external storage devices where we store our data, like CD, SDD also means hard disk drive also, and pen drive also, flash drive also, Blu-ray disc also. All these are the secondary memory, and the primary memory is basically only two, that is RAM and ROM. Random access memory, read only memory.